Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Can you introduce yourself and your family?
My name is Nightingale. I'm 9 years old. There are family.
There are
There are 6 people. Grandpa, grandma, father, mother, sister, and me.
Now let's talk about the things you like. What do you like eating?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite animal? Animals are dog, cat, rabbit, fish, bird. What's your favorite animal? Where do you like going in the weekends? Japan.
No, I don't.
Tell me about your hobbies. What do you like doing?
No, I don't.
What did you do last Sunday? Okay, now I have some quiz for you. Do you know what animal is this? I can climb and I like to eat bananas.
Monkey.
Okay, what season is the hottest in the year?
No.
There are 4 seasons in a year. There are spring, summer, autumn and winter. So which one is the hottest?
Summer.
Okay. You can buy tickets and watch movies here. Where is it? Flamingo.
No, I don't.
Who am I? I am a bird, but I can't fly. I am black and white, and my name begins letter P.
No, I don't.
It's penguin, okay? What's your favorite subject at school? Subjects are math, Vietnamese, English, art, music.
Subject is math, Vietnamese, English, history.
How many subjects do you have on Monday? How many?
Sunday.
What food do you like?
I like yogurt.
Okay, do you like to eat vegetables?
No, I don't.
What do you have for breakfast? I have okay. What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing t-shirt and tie.
Okay. What do you like doing at the weekend?
No, I don't.
I don't know. Now look at this picture and description of the picture. Where are the children?
In the classroom.
They are in the classroom.
They are in the classroom.
How many children are there? There are.
There are.
No, there are is there are.
There are 6 people.
6 children.
6 children.
What is the teacher doing?
It's notebook.
Notebook. What is the teacher doing? She is reading. Reading a
Book.
reading book. Now look at this picture. One is different. The book is different because the lemon, a pineapple, and an orange are fruits. You eat them, but you don't eat a book. You read it. Now tell me about this picture. Which one is different? different?
No, actually.
I don't know. Next one.
Picture to dessert.
Is different.
Dessert.
And picture 1, 3, 4 are
Picture 4 and 3.
okay. Next one. Which one is different?
Picture 1 teddy bear.
Is the pen. Okay, the teddy bear is on the bed, but picture 2, 3, 4, the things are under the bed. So picture 1 is different. Okay. Next one.
Picture 1 banana.
Which is different? Picture 1, 2, 3, or 4? Picture 2 is different. Why? Because picture 1, 3, 4 are
Picture 1 is
picture 1, 3, 4 are okay. The last one.
picture 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which is different?
Picture 2, picture 3 are animal.
Okay. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.